Hello friends, and welcome to a new episode of Techno Extreme. And in this video we will discuss about video editing. So whether you are a YouTuber or a professional videographer, it's really important to know how to do good video editing. So recording a video is one part, however editing the video is another part. So let's check some of the application with which we can do video editing, and then we will see how to do it. Okay, so there are a number of applications which are available for video editing, and if you have a Mac OS, then you have Final Cut Pro application and a lot iMovie and other applications. However, if you are using Windows, then you can get there are handful of applications which you can use for video editing. So let's check some of the applications which are widely used by professionals. So one of the application is that is Sony Vegas Pro, and this application was introduced by Sony, and you can edit your videos with the help of this application. Another application is HitFilm Pro, and this particular version is HitFilm 4 Pro. It provides you added advantage of adding special effects, so you can use your green screen footage or the chroma screen footage, and you can remove the background, and you can do all sort of things. So this is one of the application, and one of the most popular application for Windows which is widely used by professional is Adobe Premiere Pro. So this application was introduced by Adobe, and it provides you a lot of flexibility in terms of editing. However, I'll not recommend this application if you are an amateur or a beginner, because it has a steep learning curve. So my preferred application for fast video editing, that is video editing on the go, is Filmora, and I really like this application. I edit most of my videos using Filmora. Now let's check how to do video editing. So it's more or less the same in all the application. Let's start with the example. I have imported a video, and this is the video, just a sample video. So you can add this video to the timeline. This window is known as timeline, and you can add your video here for editing. So for importing the video, you need to click on the file tab, and then you can click on import, and then import media files. From here you can browse the video and you can import it. Again, after importing the video, you can click on this plus icon, and when you will click on the plus icon, it will get added to the timeline. So this is how it gets added, and then you can check the video on the preview window. So now I'm going to play this video. So you can see that it's playing, and this is how you can play the video. So let's now check some other functionality. This thing is known as timeline, and this is the video pane, and this is the text pane as well as the audio pane. So you can split the audio and video of this particular video by clicking on audio detach. It's going to detach the audio and the video file separately. Again, you can check other tabs like music tab. You can add you can add music using this tab. You can add text, and there are a number of effects for your text and credits, so you can add it using this window. Then there is transition window. You can check the window. I'll show you. You can insert number of transitions. So there's a huge collection from where you can add the different transition. Similarly, you can add filters to your video like this. Okay, you can see that there are large number of filters which are available, which can be added to your video. And then overlays, element above your video can also be added. Like, let's just check a effect like this warm glow. Okay, so I think it needs to be downloaded. Let's check some of the downloaded effect. So this is bokeh, so you can also add this using the overlay window. Then let's check the elements window. You can add different elements using this window. Right now I need to download it in order to use most of the element. However, let's check some of the downloaded elements. And I don't know why it's not showing. Yep, it's showing now. So this is how we can add different elements to our video. Then there's a split screen video, with the help of which you can split your video. Like, you can place video number 1 here, video number 2 here, and means this is how it works. Finally, once you are done editing, you can export your video as a separate video file by clicking on File, then File, then there should be an option. Yeah, there's export tab. You can click on that and you can export your video, like create a video and click on export. Other than that, there's a settings tab in which you can change the video quality, whether you want a full HD video or 720p, means whatever the resolution is. You can check that. You can check the format, and there are a number of settings which you can choose from here. Okay, so friends, this is how video editing is done. And I can also explain this in detail. However, I want to keep my video as short as possible. However, in case of a request, I can elaborately discuss about this, how to edit the videos. But this is how it's done, and I think I covered most of the aspects. Also, you can download this application. The trial version is free, I think, and then you can check whether it suits your need, and you can download it, and you can purchase it if required. So friends, this is all in this video of Techno Extreme. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.